Hi guys, I hope you're well. Welcome to episode 2. So today we're going to be doing the upright 7 again, but instead of the cusp by cusp technique, we're going to be showing you the fast modelling technique. Now this was showed to me by some fantastic clinicians from Style Italiano, and it's a great way when you're doing that final increment to recreate the anatomy in a relatively efficient way as much as possible. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys soon. So here we have the upper right 7. And we're going to demonstrate the fast modelling technique as explained in the introduction. The whole idea behind this technique is really to place the final enamel layer in one increment and allow you to create the physiosystem pattern within that increment. As you can see in the video here, I'm applying the body of the restoration initially. There's lots of data for and against actually the use of bulk film materials with regards to microtensile bond strength and configuration factor. If anybody wants more information, just don't hesitate to give me a shout. But really what we are, for the purpose of this exercise, we're applying one layer for the dentine, and then we're going to apply a separate layer for the enamel. What I will do is I will leave you to enjoy this video. The techniques have already been discussed in the previous video: the use of a right angle probe or the fissura, a micro brush, a composite brush, and an endo file size 20. So anyway, please enjoy the video. And so here we are with the final cure. Pretty much what I will do clinically is I'll cure through an oxygen barrier medium like glycerin gel, just to improve hardness. But as you can see, we've been able to refine the anatomy, and actually it's still really relatively detailed, demonstrating the L-type fissure that I always talk about for the upper molars, and also the line fissure for the distal aspect of it, really. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and hopefully I look forward to seeing you guys soon.